Всем привет!
Hi to everyone! In this video you will see unusual Magnetron cooking methods and even more. So let's get started. It's our cooling installation. Water will flow through the radiator in order for it not to overheat. It's very important. So put our plates with popcorn. The Magnetron is the only remnant of the microwave. You can leave it like this, it will burst itself. Now you can eat it. Show us what's there. That's hot, it's really ready. Now let's put it into the plate. We can cut off water supply. Now we will show you how it was cooking without our launch bag. The neon glow lamps enable seeing of how radio waves affect the popcorn. Our popcorn is little burnt, so let's put it into the plate. Let me move the camera a little back in order for you to see the popcorn fly better. Something heavier flies as well as popcorn. Just watch and learn. We did well with the popcorn. Now let's try to cook something more substantial. For instance, fried eggs. Unfortunately, we failed to catch the egg. Let's try to cook another one. The water vapor turned into dewdrops. It's ready. Let's cook antenna apples as a dessert. It's sparkling and letting off steam. We've got applesauce. It's so mouth-watering. Let's cook antenna grapes. Let's wire them. It didn't give the result desired. Let's fix it with a neon glow lamp. It's ready. The terminals have even burnt off. The Magnetron causes burning off, frying, sizzling. The Magnetron can do all of this. That's all for now, because we don't want to cause the Magnetron to overheat. What do you cook by Magnetron? Share with us in your comments, subscribe for the channel and click the like button. Goodbye!
Колхоз the best.